I ain't gon' let him fool me. I can't put my trust inside a broad, I ain't gon' let him use me.
I done put a heart inside my pocket, ain't gon' never lose it. I done had to stand in front of the judge and
Tell her I'm a user. Hey, go to sleep, we fucking. They gon' think we fussy. Baby, we can't force it. Love her run this course. I'll make you call my name until you lose your voice. Me and Money married, we fuck up as a couple. I'm taking numbers, cause I don't like to be down too much.
But I still serve,
Cause I don't play around too much. Take my word,
you can't just be down with us, we put in work. Have a ticket on a Phantom just to ride around Atlanta.
Yo, what's good, man? Welcome back to the channel, man. It's Mr. Tico and this bitch, man. Welcome back to the Chronicles of Mr. Tico. I hope y'all's day's going good, man. We got another video, man. A very uncomfortable video. Burping on YouTube for a living. This is gonna be very, 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 very uncomfortable for me. Very uncomfortable for me. I don't want to see no bitch burp. Without any further delays, man, let's get into this motherfucking video. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, and follow my IG, man. Let's get into this bitch. I got this as well. Alright, let's get it. Let's go.
Hey everyone, it's your favorite. I just a big fat slob who loves to burp and fart and be disgusting for people's perverted pleasure.
Alright, bro. You mean to tell me we're 11 seconds through? Ah, you're nasty. You're nasty. You just do nasty shit for people's pleasures. You're sick.
People love fat, disgusting women.
Good.
It's like my
Nigga, not the fucking farting, bro. Are you serious?
Like, you should already know me. Like, you know I ain't going for that.
Bro, ain't no motherfucking way, man.
My mother always said, if you have a pussy, you will never be poor. When I create videos for YouTube, I see those videos as if it was somebody else.
Hey, Burping Buddy. I just want to say thank you guys so much for being my friends.
Bye. I like that character so much. I wish I could be her so bad. I think that's perfect. They like me. They love me.
Bro.
They want to be.
What man on his right mind wants to see a bitch just... You know what? I'm not gonna lie. I've seen some shit. And I know some people that are into some sick shit. I ain't gonna say names. But I know some sick people that do some sick shit. But niggas really like when bitches are in here burping and spreading their ass and farting and... that shit's nasty.
Be with me. The real me is sick.
Don't worry about your health.
Do you mind if I take a quick peek at your foot?
I barely feel that. I don't want to die yet. There's still more boys to burp on.
So this bitch is more obligated and worried about her motherfucking making money off of burping and doing all this sick ass shit for people. But you're not worried about your health? You can't even fucking feel your foot. But you worried about burping? You fucking fat, funky, ugh. Ugh. And of course it lost fucking Vegas. Nigga, ain't no way, bro.
Police are coming. My name is Andrea Rodriguez, and I'm known on the internet as Burping Girl. It's a YouTube channel that I created a few years ago where I do burping content. I created Burping Girl from a phone sex shop that
I can't, bro. I don't know how I'm about to make it through this motherfucking video, bro. I can't sit here and listen to this bitch keep burping and shit like that. That shit's beyond me. That shit's beyond me. I can't.
I had a client who would call me and want me to burp on the phone for him. He would pay me, and then from there it was, can you create videos for me? Can you create clips for me, webcam and stuff like that? And so I started doing, you know, fat girl fetish content with burping and gassy and stuff like that. And it just went off. People loved it. So my head grew bigger and then my belly grew bigger. I just wanted to do it more because I absolutely love getting weird people off. It's my thing. I want you to say, I love you, burping girl, over and over.
And then you've just grown accustomed to having a fucking fetish of getting weird niggas off that like this weird shit. That just makes you weird. You're weird with them. You're weird with them. That's what you are. You're weird with them.
A year into making my burping girl videos, I was offered the partner program with YouTube, and I was getting pretty good money. I was getting a couple $100 here, a couple $100 there, and so it was cool. It was nice. But then the haters start making videos about me. Their fans come on my page, they report me, and then YouTube's like, you know what? Maybe you're not fit for our program.
Nigga, what? What? You're posting that live? Bro, wow. I'm about to, oh wow. Oh wow.
I'm not personally into that gas stuff, but I'm definitely into that absolutely massive belly. Holy hell. There's people who love the burps and there's people who love the stomach. So they'll put up with the burps to see the stomach, or they'll put up with the stomach to see the burps.
I hope you enjoyed looking at my big fat belly, and if you guys talk shit, I will kick your fucking ass.
There's people who think it's funny. There's people who think it's sexy and they want to jerk off. Huh? And then there's people who are just like,
bitch, you better
why
not.
the fuck is she doing that?
Oh God, bitch. Oh God. This bitch just farted on her motherfucking food and ate it.
What did he say?
This bitch just farted on her motherfucking food and ate it.
And y'all are finding that motherfucking funny? Motherfucking funny?
Motherfucking funny.
This is
gross.
the most unreal shit I've
But
ever
either way,
seen.
they're still drawn to it. I like fat girls who love to eat and rip sloppy, bubbly farts. Me too.
Wow, bro.
I'm going to be doing a burping girl video later on today, so definitely going to get a soda, maybe some chips or something. Just something that I can snack on and make videos with. This one is Starburst Strawberry and Skittles. All right. Okay. I think these will be good. These are better. This is what I wanted. I wanted these. Okay, I'm ready. Let's go. Got my snacky snacks and my drinky drink. See how I want my little angle to be. All right, that works. Hey everyone, it's your favorite burping girl, Andrea. And today I have a nice little drinky drink.
So niggas are just paying, bro. I physically can't. I don't know if I can continue to go through with this video, bro. I can't. Why did I pick this video? I regret it, bro. I can't. I regret it.
So this new drink is kind of like a pink Starburst, kind of. It's so fruity. It's so good. My stomach is getting so big and bloated right now. It's like I'm pregnant with your burping baby.
Bro, this shit is sick.
Definitely 5 burping girl burps. This is definitely burping girl approved. That's how I do my little burping girl videos. You little pricky prick. I'm diabetic, so every little thing that I do affects my blood sugar. Anything over 150 is bad. So it's bad, but it's not horrible. In order for me to correct this sugar, I have to take a little shot and just pop it in. Every time I eat, I have to take a shot. I take 2 shots in the morning and at night, plus the meals in between. Now I'm doing like 6 shots a day, honestly. It sucks. I've always been a chunky girl. Bad genes run in my family. My mother, she was 647 pounds. My mother, she was so big and she had the complications of diabetes. My dad is diabetic, my grandparents diabetic. It was like I was doomed to get these bad genes. It came to the point where she was bedbound and I had to like be the mother of the house. I had to take care of my brothers. Having my mother being sick, it just left the door open for trauma to happen. It was, you know, molestation, it was rape, it was all of that. Like her friends would come and use me and abuse me because she wasn't there to protect me. And it's not her fault. It was because she was sick, you know, she didn't know what was going on and I never said nothing. So I always felt like I wasn't important enough to take care of myself because I was always too busy taking care of everybody else. And I think that's the real big reason why I'm like real sick today. Growing up the way I did and just feeling like shit, feeling ugly, feeling not confident at all. I guess when I started getting a little bit of attention, I ran with it. I was like, oh, okay, you know, they like me, they love me, they want to be with me and stuff like that. And I got addicted to feeling wanted and loved, and I just did it even though like it's risking my health doing that.
Like, come on, man. You don't even seem like you're that bad of a person, but you on here, like, and on top of that, you're running up these views and shit like that, and no disrespect, but look at where you're still at. It doesn't look like you've really upgraded, or it doesn't look like the money's bringing it in like it should be, or you're not putting it in the right places. Because if you're racking up views and shit like that, and people, and millions of people and shit like that all across, like, come on, man.
I don't know. I don't know what to say. I just love it.
I want to say thanks for everyone that's supporting and liking and commenting. You guys are the best.
I love you, burping buddies.
People who are
That was crazy. How the fuck did she do that?
I love you, burping buddies.
I just love it.
I want to say thanks for everyone that's supporting and liking and commenting. You guys are the best.
I love you, burping buddies.
That was kind of crazy.
People who are obese like me and stuff like that. Yeah, we do realize that we're fat, we're disgusting, we're gonna die, whatever. But I think that's the risk that we take personally. I'm going to log into my phone sex job to make some extra cash because rent's coming up, and the burping videos and stuff, they make pretty good money, but not enough to like pay my rent or anything. So I have perverts that call me and they pay me to be nasty, and I love it. It's like my mother always said, if you have a pussy, you will never be poor. And if you sound cute and you have a nice voice, you'll never be poor.
That's ridiculous.
I already have a call. Hello. Hey, you're craving my little Latina, huh? You got that big white daddy nice and hard for me already?
Wow.
Hello? Hey, what's going on? I'm so right now. You should definitely see what I'm wearing. And I told him, I want you to lose your little cherry virginity with me. And he did not even hesitate.
You're
he took his
popping
out
his-
and like me right there. I loved it. But I was thinking about you the whole time. Hello? You're so dirty. Do you want to hear my... You hear that? Hello? Where's your wife at? Porque ya tú sabes, papi, que me gusta. Tu pinche verga está bien grande. He came. These men who call me, they're obsessed with the character that I created because I have like 4 or 5 different profiles and they each have their own.
How is this motherfucking video allowed on YouTube? What the fuck? That's wild. No way they just showed that. That's crazy.
Lives. They each have their own likes and dislikes.
That's crazy.
The characters that I create is like a vision of what I want to be. It kind of sucks because when I hang up the phone, that's not me. They're in love with what I created, but they're not in love with me. being the character that they want for so long. It kind of bleeds into like reality where I'm like, I like that character so much. I wish I can be her so bad. And then, you know, go back to reality where I'm like this, and I'm like, it's not too fun because I've spent so long fantasizing about being somebody else and stuff. Honestly, I'm not really comfortable still. I'm still trying to figure out who I am. I still have identity problems. I am not comfortable in my own skin. I'm comfortable in the skin that I've created. I'm comfortable with the fantasies that I give people, whether it's the burping girl fetish community or whether it's the phone sex job. Like, I wish I could be burping girl and flaunt around my big stomach and not care what people think about me. But that's a personality. That's not me, though. That's like somebody who I wish I was in everyday life. Oh, I feel like a Puerto Rican in this hair. Make sure you film upwards so you get her titties because they're nice and plump today. I love my wife. I think she's sexy. I'm in a polyamorous relationship. I'm married to a trans woman. Now that I found somebody who truly loves me, you know, I'm trying to get better and I'm trying to like get on the right track.
I worry about your health, especially when something affects you. Like the other day when you had that rug burn on your toes.
On my toes.
Bro, this video just gets motherfucking crazier.
On the right track.
I worry about your health, especially when something affects you. Like
Them
the other day when
eyebrows
you had
are
that rug burn
awful.
on your toes.
On my toes.
You get an infection on your feet.
What in
that's
the
where it starts.
fuck?
And that's when I get worried that you're gonna get worse, and then
I won't be able to take you out to a hometown buffet no more.
yeah.
Burping girl on wheels.
This is a very,
Ooh,
very,
coming to a
very
house
Buffet
twisted
near
theory.
you.
I love me a good Chinese buffet. Are you gonna cry?
No.
You better not fucking cry, bitch, because I ain't doing my makeup again. I have really bad diabetic nerve pain in my feet, where my feet are absolutely numb, and that scares me because my dad's dad has both of his legs amputated from diabetes. The more I started posting about like belly stuff and eating tons of food or doing like my little mukbangs and stuff, people would say, oh wow, you're getting fatter. We love that you're gaining weight. We love it. We want to feed you. Here's a gift card to Domino's. Go to Shakey's, go to McDonald's and get this and that. Try the new food that came out. But like the complications that come from diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol and all that, like it really has taken a toll. It's a risk trying to make these videos and still trying to
This shit's wild.
not die. It's scary every time because afterwards I have to hurry up, immediately take a shot, check my sugar, because if not, I will go to sleep and miss the whole day. So I don't want to die yet, but yeah, there's still more boys to burp on first.
And you'd
This
rather
morning
you'd rather fucking sit here and do all of that, my nigga. Like, what makes you? I understand. Okay, you explain the fetish side. It's still weird. It's still nasty. I don't give a fuck. I would never. That shit's disgusting. It's very disgusting. I'm sorry. I'm not gonna be the one to lie, but my nigga, you do what you gotta do. That's your personal life. As long as I ain't got to see that shit or have nothing to do with me, I don't give a flying fuck what you do. But you're sitting in here with an entire family known to be diabetics, and then on top of that, you're not trying to do anything different. You're on the verge of damn near dying. You can't feel your feet, but you're obligated on fucking farting and burping and stuffing your fucking face with nothing but sweets and fat foods and shit. That ain't nobody's fault but your own. You want to die, that's on you. You know you don't need to be doing that shit. You got a shot and shit that you got to take, my nigga, and you don't give a fuck because you want to die. And I can't blame it because, oh well, it is what it is, Kiso.
I have a doctor's appointment at my
Get your
family
shit
clinic.
together. You
They're
gonna fall
gonna
out
tell
of
me
diet.
about like my blood work that I did
And then I'm gonna have him check my foot out to make sure that the scab is healing properly. Not fun going to the doctors, especially when you've been bad and eating whatever you want for the last few months.
Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Wow, like last time I was here, I've gained like 40 pounds. I was like 250-ish, and now I'm 291. So for the fat community, they're like, oh my God, yes, she's finally getting to 300. But in real world me, I'm just like, oh my God, that's kind of cringe for me.
So, how are you doing today? Do you mind if I have a seat?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Type 2 diabetes? Anybody in your family on insulin?
All of them.
Gotcha. So, just to remind you and let you know that type 2 diabetes is completely curable with appropriate diet and exercise.
Yeah, I know, but my brain just doesn't want to click it into it.
Gotcha. Easier said than done,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Do you mind if I take a quick peek at your
Yeah.
foot? You can let me know if you feel sharp or dull or when you feel me touch your foot.
Okay. I felt that. I barely feel that. I can kind of feel a little pressure, but not really a poke at all.
All right, so the biggest risk of having your blood sugar constantly high is saying that it can lead to amputation because it's going to hit the small vessels in your feet. It can lead to blindness, heart
Yeah.
attacks, and strokes. So those are long-term effects of it. That's why we know about it so we can control it now.
Okay.
We don't want you to end up like the rest of your family because guess what? You're special.
Thanks.
Cool?
Yeah,
All right, it was nice to see you
Nice
again.
to see
and
you.
You take care, okay?
sounds good. Thank you so much. I know the burping girl stuff is like a big part of my life, but now I'm kind of thinking, is it worth it? You know, is it worth getting a little bit of love and attention?
No, nigga, is it worth losing
Hey
your
everyone,
feet?
it's your favorite burping girl, Andrea. I think I kind
Your
of like
legs
use
and your
burping
feet
girl
and
to kind of
your
numb
health is
the
worth
hate.
that.
I'm creating my own
Is worth
little
that nasty
happy
ass
world.
shit. Hold it. Oh, this bitch is. Oh.
The burping girl followers and friends and stuff that love
And then you
burping girl
fucking
have
proceed to end the
shown me
video off
that
with
it's
that
okay to love my
disgusting
body,
ass
that
shit.
they love me, they think I'm hot, they think it's sexy. And a lot of people still think I'm gross. Obviously, I'm disgusting, I'm gross. But I just ignore the haters, I guess. It's easier said than done, but burping girl doesn't. She doesn't care. I hope you guys liked that video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Hello. I could be burping girl Ariel from the Little Mermaid, the little burping mermaid.
Sure.
Oh, tell me burping girl would not look good doing a shake weight. I could be like, where's the big fat girl section? Fuck you bitches, I'm an extra small.
Oh shit. Wait, how much are they?
Show them your tits, we'll get it for free.
Hey everyone.
That trans woman or whatever the fuck that was, that shit was ridiculous, for one. For two, she needs to cut that shit out of her life or she's gonna die. Because that shit's disgusting. There's many other ways to make money. That way is not a motherfucking appealing. But yeah, man. Thank you guys for tuning into this. Yeah. I don't even know how to explain this shit, but make sure y'all like and subscribe. I'll see y'all in the next one, man. We got this bitch.
State bitch, born and raised with me. They fucking with me, hell no.
All she created is a real one.